back to another LevelMaster video. Today we're joined with Jeff. Welcome, Jeff.
Thank you, Lockie.
And today we're going to be explaining the different base plates that LevelMaster offer. So firstly, Jeff, what base plates do LevelMaster offer?
Yeah, we've got 3 different size base plates and 3 different configurations that are available. We'll deal with that in a bit more detail shortly. But I guess what it does, it gives the product a lot of versatility. So no matter what application that you've got in mind, we've pretty much got a base plate to suit it.
Yeah, okay, awesome. And can you be a bit more specific on the different sizes and configurations you do have?
Sure. I've got the most popular size post here. This is a 75 by 75 mil post. And we also have base plates available for the 90 by 90 post and also 100 by 100 post. The size of the post is really determined by the type of the building and the configuration. We'll deal with that shortly.
And the 3 fixing options you mentioned, what are they?
Sure. So these are, first of all, I'll start off with this one here, which is the concrete in base. So this is attached to the post, just like this. It slides in till it comes home. And then there's Tek screws, 4 Tek screws, 2 in the top and 2 in the bottom. And this ends up down inside the pier into a cast-in configuration. So that's the cast-in base. And then the second one is a bolt-down base. As you can see, there's drain holes in the bottom of this, taking the excess water away, and then 2 clearance holes to secure it down. And again, that just slides in. Really important that the post be secured right down to the bottom of the base plate as part of the installation. Again, 4 Tek screws are going to secure that. And then the last one is similar to what I just showed you, but this one is a 4 bolt configuration on a square base plate, and again just secured by the 2 Tek screws front and back.
Okay, and why do you offer a bolt down and a cast-in configuration fixing option?
Yeah, look, that's a really good question, and I guess one that gets asked quite regularly. But in all these situations, the choice of the type of base plate is really a structural engineering one, more so than you know, I think I'd like that over that. So the engineer will stipulate, first of all, whether it's going to be cast in or whether it's going to be bolt down. And in some cases, they may even give you the option of both. And they'll also stipulate whether there's going to be a 2 bolt configuration or a 4 bolt configuration. So in all cases, we're going to be guided by the structural engineering detail.
Okay. So that's good that both options are available. Are they all certified?
Yeah, look, one of the things that we start with in terms of any time we design a product, whether it be a base plate or one of our connectors, etc., is that we start off with the engineering requirement. And the engineers look at the construction of these base plates and their ability to take uplift, being secured with Tek screws, so all those things get taken into consideration before they specify these products in the drawing.
Okay. Where can I find the specifications for these type of products?
Yeah, because we have to have these recertified on a regular basis, we will provide the technical information on our website. That way you're always downloading the most recent version. So go to our homepage, scroll across to our technical info tab, and there you'll find the engineering tab and also the state-based certifications for all these as well. So if there's any changes made to the specification or the engineering, you'll pick it up off the latest volume there.
Okay. So Jeff, what are the different methods for fixing these base plates?
Yeah, look, that's a really important point that we just like to cover off on here. The first thing is when we're bolting down these base plates to a pier, we've got to be quite specific about the fixing options that are available. So the first one I want to talk about is this ramp set bolt. Its effective length is 150 millimeters. We use the ChemSet 101. Full instructions are on on the label on how to install that correctly. But it's a chemical fix, and each of those goes down into the base plate there. Drill a clearance hole for the bolt, as the instructions show there, and that's the chemical fix type. The other one is that we have got an anchor bolt. This is a 100mm anchor bolt, 90mm penetration down into the hole, and this is rigged in with an impact driver. So no chemical fix with this one, but impact rigging straight into the hole. So either one of those fixing options is acceptable on both our 4-bolt and 2-bolt configurations. But just one final point, Lockie, please don't use Dynabolts. Only use the two alternatives that we've given to you here. The specific instructions on these type of fixings are included on our technical sheet, which we mentioned previously, which is available on our website. So yeah, no Dynabolts, please stick with that configuration.
Alright, well thanks for running us through the different base plates and the mounting options today, Jeff. If you've got any other further questions you'd like to ask, feel free to give us a call on 1300 538 356 and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.
Thanks, Lockie.